Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Use 2 cups Greek yogurt, 1 cup mascarpone, and 3/4 cups sugar for the cream base, combining tang and richness without losing classic tiramisu character. Brew 1 cup strong coffee and cool it to room temperature before dipping so ladyfingers absorb flavor but do not fall apart. Separate 3 large eggs and whisk the yolks with sugar until pale and ribbon-like. Fold in mascarpone, then gently fold in Greek yogurt to maintain aeration and creaminess for a stable yet light filling. Dip each ladyfinger 1 second per side in coffee to avoid sogginess, working quickly and laying them flat in a single layer. Layer 24 ladyfingers and yogurt cream in a 9x 9-inch pan for even portions, smoothing the top with a spatula and repeating to create 2 full layers of cookie and cream. Chill tiramisu at least 4 hours or overnight for best texture and flavor melding, which lets the cream firm, and the coffee slowly infuse the cream for balanced sweetness and coffee aroma. Top with 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder before serving for a classic, slightly bitter contrast that balances the sweet cream and coffee notes. Store covered in refrigerator up to 3 days to maintain freshness and safety. Place plastic wrap directly on the surface to prevent drying and odor absorption. For a lighter version, reduce sugar to 1/2 cup and use 2% Greek yogurt, or add a tablespoon of vanilla and 1 tablespoon marsala or rum extract to the cream for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.